Hey everyone, so I have the Cricut Joy right here with me, and even though it's a small machine, but as they say, small but mighty, and it is being so useful for me in the past few days that even though I'm not a crafter, but still I have been able to make a ton of things and it has been really easy for me. So let me get on with 5 things I love about my Cricut Joy. The first is its size and its weight. The Cricut Joy is really small. Compared to my Explorer Air 2, this is about 1/4 of its size. The Cricut Joy measures up to 18 inches by 4 inches by 4 inches, which makes it really small and compact, and you can carry it with you anywhere. For example, I have been cooking and crafting right here in my kitchen with this, so it's been really fun doing that. And it can cut designs up to 4.5 inches wide and 20 feet long. The Cricut Joy is perfect for beginners as well as seasoned crafters. I made a ton of crafts with this even though I was a beginner when I first started using Cricut Joy. And being it so handy, it's perfect for seasoned crafters as well to take it on the go while you're traveling. You can plug it in, take it to your hotel room, and you can craft from there as well. So that's really convenient. The next thing I love about my Cricut Joy is that it comes with Cricut Joy specific pens, which is really nice. And they have a ton of options. For example, they have these pens in green, violet, red colors. Then they have the glitter gel pens, which would be great in making cards as well. And then the infusible ink markers, which is so good. You can create your own designs. You can use the pen to make designs on the vinyl and then transfer that vinyl onto your shirts or tote bags or whatever. I mean, this makes it really convenient to get your crafting done. The next best thing to do with Cricut Joy is make cards with it. It comes with a separate card mat, which is specific to this Cricut Joy. And then you get card inserts in a ton of colors. I'm going to be making one for you so you can get a feel of how it works, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes max to create your own card. And my absolute most favorite thing about Cricut Joy is the smart materials. For example, you can see it says smart vinyl, which is specifically for the Cricut Joy. And then you have the smart permanent vinyl, again just for the Joy. Here you have the smart label, which I will be making for you in just about a minute. So what the smart materials are, the Joy doesn't need a mat. As long as you have material which says smart on it, you can use it directly with your machine. You don't need a mat. So that's really nice and makes it really convenient to do any kind of crafting on the go. You don't need a mat. No hassle of taking off, peeling it off. It's really good. Now let's get on to making some projects with it, which are really quick to make and will make you fall in love with the Cricut Joy.